Good afternoon students, 10th C and 10th D. Welcome to your maths class. In the online class we were dealing with the first chapter, that is arithmetic progression, and in arithmetic progression we were solving exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1 we completed the first question. Now let us move to the second question. Okay, so the second question reads as follows: write 4 terms of the AP. You need to write 4 terms of an AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So what is given here, children? They have given us the first term A and they have given us the common difference between the terms. So with these, with A and D, we need to find the first 4 terms of an AP. So let us start solving here. So the solution. So what is the solution there? What they have given? Given A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. We know what is the general form of an AP. We know the general form of an AP. That is arithmetic progression, is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. Okay, here A is 10. Then what will be A plus D? A plus D is 10 plus 10, so that is 20. Then we have A plus 2D, that is 10 plus 2 into 10, okay, that is 30. Then what is A plus 3D? 10 plus 3 into 10. So here you have 10 plus 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 10, that is 40. So you got the first 4 terms of an AP. So what are the first 4 terms? Therefore, the first 4 terms of an AP are AP is 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. So they asked you to find the first 4 terms, and now they had given you the first term and the common difference. So you found the first 4 terms of an AP. Now let us move to the second question here. So what is A here? A is minus 2 and D is 0. So with the first term minus 2 and common difference 0, we should find the next first 4 terms of an AP. Okay, so let us do that. Here, solution. So what is given? Given A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. So what will be the first 4 terms of an AP? First 4 terms of the AP, given AP is, okay, A is minus 2, you know. Then what is A plus D? Minus 2 plus 0, which is again minus 2. Then what is A plus 2D? That is minus 2 plus 2 into 0, that is minus 2 once again. Then what is A plus 3D? Is equal to minus 2 plus 3 into 0, so that is minus 2. So now we found the 4 terms of an AP. Okay, the first 4 terms of an AP. Therefore the AP is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and so on. Okay, so we completed the second problem. Now let us move to the third problem, children. I hope it is clear to you. Yes, this is the way how to find the first 4 terms of an AP when the first term and the common difference is given. So 2 problems we have solved. Now the third one is A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Let us solve this. A is equal to here. The third one, A is equal to 4. Just a minute, write the question. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to -3. This is the question, children. Okay. So the solution here, A is equal to 4, D is equal to -3. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the AP, first 4 terms of the AP is, or AP will be, we know A is equal to 4 and A plus D is equal to 4 plus of -3. Okay, here the sign rule you have to be very much careful, children. This AP actually is very easy chapter. Where you are going wrong, you are going wrong in simple calculation like the sign rule, which you will learn from right from 5th class, but you are doing mistakes here. So what is here? You need to multiply the signs. So plus into minus is minus. So this is 4 minus 3 and you got the answer 1. Okay. Then what is A plus 2D? 4 plus 2 times of -3. So 4, 3 2s are 6 minus 6. So minus 6. So you have here -2 as your answer. Next, A plus 3D, that is equal to 4 plus 3 into -3. 3 into -3. So you have 4, 3 3s are 9, -9, that is equal to -5. Okay. So now what are the first 4 terms we found of the AP? These are the first 4 terms of the AP what we found now. Okay. Therefore, AP, what are the first 4 terms? Let us write one by one. 4, 1, -2, -5, so on. Okay, this is our third problem. Then coming to fourth problem, A is equal to -1 and D is equal to half. Okay, you carefully you have to solve, children. There is a fraction here, you can see 1 by 2. So let us solve it. Solution. The solution. So here what they have given, we know general form of AP. Okay. So accordingly we will solve now. So A is -1. A plus D is -1 plus half. So common denominator is 2. 1 2s are 2. So 2 1s are -1s is -2 plus 2 1s are 1. So 1. So you have here 1. So you have -1 by 2. This is one of your term. This is the second term you got. First term you got it as -1. Now let us solve for A plus 2D. So A is -1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So what I have here, -1 plus 2 by 2. So take 2 common denominator. -2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So you got that is equal to 0. Then I have A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to -1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So you have -1 plus 3 by 2. So that is 2 common here. So you have -2 plus 3. So you have 1 by 2. So you have 1 by 2. So you have 1 by 2. Okay. So therefore the terms of the AP. Therefore the terms of the AP are so first 4 terms are AP is equal to -1, then second one is -1 by 2, then you have 0, then you have 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the second question what we solved. Okay, so in the second question they had given us the first term and the common difference, and we found the first 4 terms of an AP. Okay, so now let us move to the third question, children. That is the third question. Let us move to third question. What is the third question is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Find the first term and the common difference. Okay, we have to write which is the first term and what is the common difference. We need to check there. So one by one they have given the AP. This is an AP they have given. The AP is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and so on. Okay, this is the question they have given. So they have given the AP here. What we need to check here? We need to write the first term and we should find the common difference. Okay, so let us write the solution here. First term A is equal to, come on, what is the first term? Here you can see 3 is the first term. 3 is the first term. Then, so the common difference D. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term minus first term, that is 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, so let us check once again for second term minus first term I did. Now let me check with the third term minus second term. So third term minus second term is, I should check for difference of 2 terms. Okay, I should not come to the conclusion by just subtracting one for the second minus one term. I should check for third term minus second term also. Okay, if the same difference you get on both the cases, then it is an AP. Okay, then it is the common difference is same here. So first I got common difference here, D is equal to minus 2. Let me check for this also now. So my third term is minus 1, minus 1. So second term is 1. So minus 1, minus 1. So I get minus 2. So once again I got D as minus 2. Okay, therefore here A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. This is what we found the answer. Okay, children. So now let us move to the second. All these are similar problems, children. I will solve 2 problems and let you solve the remaining, and I will be sharing the notes of this. Okay, the solved problems also I will share, so you can neatly complete the classwork. So I have minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. This is my second question. Here what should I find now? I should find the first term, then I should find the common difference. Okay, I can see here this is an AP they have given. So the first term is first term A, that is minus 5. Okay, so let me check for common difference now. So the common difference is equal to, so second term minus